One man dares to fight against all odds.
I'm doing this for them, for all of us.
In this video, I want to show you how can create a great movie or trailer with artificial intelligence tools in 5 easy steps, and the end, we will see the result. Join and enjoy.
Step 1. Movie trailer script.
At first, you need a good story for your trailer, but if you don't worry about it. You can use ChatGPT or Gravity Website. I prefer using Gravity Website due to its extensive features. It has various specialized sections, each of which can assist you separately. GravityWrite.com and click Start Writing for free. Now to gender the story for a movie, click Filmmaking Tools and choose this. Here type in your idea. First part action, second part 1 minute, and third part you can type optional about your story. After that, click on Create Content. Film title is Blaze Unleashed. I think this is good and sounds great title. You can't generate your movie from this story directly. In the next step, you must convert your story into the image prompt. Copy your story completely. We can generate prompt here in this site and don't need another website. Click here. And now we're looking for Filmmaking Tools, AI image generation prompt, and like previous page, include 3 sections. Action, realistic, and past your story here. What is the film style? Click on Create Content, and please wait until your prompt generation. With this prompt you can generate image. Copy one of them and stay with us. Step 2. Generate image. Midjourney or Leonardo. You can use both of them for convert text to image. Midjourney is no longer free to use, except for some brief promotional periods. When the service first launched in July 2022, anyone could use it to generate 25 images for free. There are other sites you can do it, but I want to use Leonardo. So open the Leonardo and sign in. Paste your prompt and click on Generate. Do this for all the prompts and then download them and place them in the folder. Step 3. Generate video with image. For animating images and turning them into a video, the Runway site is a highly suitable option. However, for each new account, you can only create a 105-second video with each image being converted into a 4-second clip. If you choose to use the Extend option, you can extend the video up to 16 seconds. Import all the images you created in the previous step in order, so that your trailer scenes are generated.
Step 4. Using Lalamove Studio.
Now we must convert this to this one.
I'm doing this for them, for all of us.
Go back to the story and copy the parts of the text that are intended to be transformed into dialogue and conversation. Open the 11lab.io site. Choose the desired character's voice, and then paste the text. Note that we need both a narrate's voice and an actor's voice. However, your requirements may be different. Now open the Lalamove.studio. The current issue we're facing is the low quality of the output videos from this site. Now we need to enhance the quality of these clips using the vemake.ai. Remember, this site provides 5 credits for each new registration, deducting 2 credits for each output clip. However, the film and image quality from this site is satisfactory.
Welcome to the final step, music background and editing video.
We need a music background without copyright. I want to use Pixabay. That provides copyright-free background music. So let's go there and click on Music. Find the music you want for your movie. For the editing, you can use CapCut application or Clipchamp. Clipchamp search. Go to app.clipchamp.com and click Try for free. Now click Create a new video. This is the best part of my tutorial. Now you can watch the result, and please tell me your idea in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for new information and videos.
In a world where terror reigns uncontested,
It's time. We've got to move. Target location confirmed. We're going in hot.
one man dares to fight against all odds.
I'm doing this for them, for all of us.
Prepare for an action spectacle that will blaze the screens. This ends now. Coming soon.